Welcome dear creatives. In this video I'll be showing you how to make a fascinator headpiece. We'll be making a crinoline fascinator. So I'm using 4 yards of this 3 inches width crinoline. So I have already tied the 2 ends because you know crinoline frills. So now I'm going to do a running stitch from one end of my crinoline to the other end. Of course, I have to fasten it first, just like I'm doing now. You fasten it, you make sure it's more like a tacking. You do that at the beginning before you start doing your running stitches. So that's exactly what I'm doing now. I'm doing my running stitches. I'm going to do this till I get to the end. Keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. As you watch, if you have questions, you can ask. And if you have a design in mind that you would want me to recreate, kindly let me know in the comment section. Please remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on my weekly DIY videos.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. Inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while
So I'm done. What I'm going to do next is to arrange it to form the base I want, okay? So I'm going to arrange it gradually, allow one to lap the other. And then when I allow one to lap the other, I'll now sew it, like tack it so that it will be firm. Then I'll pick another one and form a layer on top. Just watch gradually and watch carefully so that you will not miss the way I'm doing it, so that you do yours very well too, okay? So I'll keep doing this until I'm done with the layers, just a few layers. You can even decide to leave it this way. You see, it's even beautiful. What else can you use this to form? What do you think you can use it for again? Apart from using it as a fascinator, what else can you use it to embellish? So this is what I'll just keep doing and tacking until they're all firm on each other. Keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me.
So the next thing I'm going to do is to attach my Alice band. I'll put it at the side of my band. Feel free to put it on top if you wish to, but I would prefer mine by the side. And then I'm going to attach it and make sure it is firm. So keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts, but something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
So you see, we're done. The next thing is just to cover up where we stitched our Alice band, and then that will be all. You can use your stay, your gum stay to cover it up. Thank you for watching.